Hi friends and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about, this is the next video from visualization where I spoke about or we are going to talk about why is it that you are doing everything correct, like you are affirming in the right way, you are visualizing in the right way, your affirmations are fine, your visualization is fine, your intentions are fine and everything is okay, but still whatever you want to manifest, that's not being manifested. The law of attraction is not working for you. Why does that happen? So before I answer that, I'm going to take out a card for you guys as a message, and also I want to also I wanted to I wanted to ask you guys for something, that if you are liking these videos or if you think these videos are helpful, then if you want to kind of exchange some energy with for getting what you are getting out of these videos, then please share these videos with more people. Share them on your WhatsApp groups, share them on your Facebook, share them on your Instagram, on your Twitter, or wherever you can. Please share them, because the intention is that these messages, these ways of life, this way of thinking reaches maximum people as possible, so that they are able to deal with different kind of emotional traumas, emotional stress, or other things that they are undergoing, and they are saved from the incorrect guidance that can actually put them further down. Also, I don't put ads in between of my videos, because I don't want that thought process, or that chain of thought, or that interest that you're getting and things that you're learning. I don't want a break to come into that. So that is why I just wanted to tell you that the intention is not only money, but the intention is that these reach the maximum people possible, so that people can actually benefit from it. So if you want to make an energy exchange in any way, then sharing this will be the perfect way of doing it, because you will be participating in helping them reach more people. So let's just see what is the message for you guys, and I will be really grateful to you. Thank you so much. What is the message for viewers? Knights, angels, what is the message for viewers? What is the message for viewers? Knights, angels, what is the message for viewers? Breaking free. Beautiful. So the message is that wherever you are stuck, wherever you think there is a blockage, wherever you are thinking that you cannot get off that particular thing, now is the time to break free of all of that. You have the ability, that automatically divine will also interfere, and you will be able to break free from all of the blockages that have been there in your life. If you see this, there is this mermaid, and there are multiple octopuses who have actually these octopus has already, or actually kind of, they were actually strangulating her, or they were actually putting her into the basically putting her into their tentacles, and kind of catch hold of her, but now they are leaving her, they are moving away. So she's breaking free of all these blockages, all these bondages, all these things that she was struggling with, or all this situation that they were stuck in. So if there is any situation that you are stuck in, if there is anything where you were blocked, if there is anything that was keeping you stuck at one place, in one thought, in one area, now is the time to break free of that. And she probably also took some action, so her hands are in here, so she probably took some action also. So take action to break yourself, free from any kind of blockages, bondages, anything, and you have the ability, you have everything in you to get yourself freed from any kind of stuckness that you have in your life. So break free is a beautiful message to come across. Okay, so and this is like break free from any memories, any negativity, anything. What is the reason why, if you are doing everything correct, still you are not able to manifest what you want to? There are two basic reasons for it. First reason is your life lesson. Now I'll explain you this with multiple examples, but if whatever you're wanting to manifest, your life lesson is not complete to get that manifested, or your life lesson is not in sync with what you want to manifest, that manifestation will not work for you. And while that manifestation will not work for you, something else would be wanting to work for you, because your life lesson is more synced to that thing. We'll understand this with examples. So let's just take first example. Say I want to manifest a particular job. So I want to manifest a particular profession. I want to be like a magician, or I want to be, so you're not even narrowing it down, right? So because that's the crux of the right affirmation, that you are not narrowing it down to one single point. So I want to be a magician, or I want to be an actress, or I want to be an entrepreneur, or I want to be whatever. So I want to get to a particular profession, and I'm not able to manifest that profession. Now why is that? I'm doing the affirmations, I'm doing the visualizations, I'm doing everything correctly, but still it is not working out. It is not working out because that particular profession is not in sync with my life lesson at this point in time, and that is why I'm not ready for that. And I'm not ready for that is why it is not working out for me right now, because maybe to get into that profession I have to be more in balance with my emotions. Maybe I have to be more in balance with my talent. Maybe I have to be more balanced in my learning, and there is something that is lacking there on that part, and that is why it is not manifesting. So while you are affirming right, visualizing right, you have to also look at things that you need to learn, look at things that can be a blockage, look at things that can help you improve, and once you actually remove that blockage, it will start working out. There is also a possibility that there is some other opportunity that is knocking your door over and over and over again, but you are not looking at that because you want to manifest something else. But at times the route is different to get to what you want to get to. Second example is I want to manifest a particular relationship. So I want to manifest like a marriage, I want to manifest a child, I want to manifest a particular relationship in my life. And that I am doing everything correct, but that is still not getting manifested. Why? The reason is maybe I need to be more independent. I need to be to have less responsibilities. Maybe there is something that I need to do to complete my life lesson where I am not ready for it yet, which means that maybe I need to be more careful, I need to be more responsible. I'm not there as of now. Maybe I need to have more self-love, but I don't have that as of now. Maybe I have more dependency upon other people that should not be there. So if I manifest that particular thing like a marriage or a child or anything, it will not be a happy space, it will not be a successful space, and I want to manifest that happiness. So for me to manifest that happiness, first of all I have to clear all the blockages. So if my life lesson is to learn to self-love, to be independent, to be dependent on my own self, have a lot of self-respect, then my relationship will not get manifested unless I learn that part. So because it is not in sync with my life lesson. Third example, say I want to manifest a particular property. Now, when I want to manifest a particular property, and my life lesson is to understand the hurdles, understand the value of money. Maybe I want to manifest money, I want to manifest abundance. If my relationship with money is not good, my learning is to understand my relationship with money. Maybe I am functioning from where I am doing everything right and I am wanting to manifest abundance, but I am actually functioning from what I didn't have in my life, what was not there in my past. I'm actually operating from the lack, and from the lack abundance will never come, it will only be lack, and my life lesson is to learn that. Second possibility, where I want to manifest things and I have this thing in my mind that, oh, you know, I didn't have this thing at my child, so I want to give this to my child. Or maybe I want to manifest because I want to give this to my parents, or this my family, or anybody else. Now what is it? You are again thinking about what you didn't have, what you want to give. Maybe you're thinking that this is the right time to manifest that, later on it will not work out for me, or earlier it has not worked out for me. So wherever you are actually coming from, there is a feeling of lack attached to it. If you're coming from a feeling of lack, you cannot manifest abundance. So that is why your life lesson is to understand that. Maybe your relationship with money is not good. Maybe you think about money as something that you can't have. You're thinking of money about like something that is not good. So your relationship with money has to be improved, looking at it just as an energy, and that is when your life lesson will be right on track and you will be able to manifest that. So this is first why things don't manifest despite of doing everything right. Second is an alternate path. Maybe you have an alternate path to choose. Maybe you have an alternate path to live your life, to learn the things and to make something better in your life, and that is why the path that you are choosing or you are wanting to manifest, it is not working out for you. Now let's take the same examples. How will that be? You want to pick up a particular profession, that is not working out for you, you're trying your best, it is not working out for you. Maybe your path is to not do that, but actually pick up your passion as your profession. Maybe your path is not to get to that job, but have that business. Maybe your business is not working out because you're meant to be in job. Now I will also talk about how do you recognize that, but that is not working out because you have an alternate path towards abundance in your life, or towards success in your life, or towards learning in your life, but you're actually banging your head on the wrong wall, and that is why that is not working out. Second, and when this happens, you will also get alternate opportunities, but you will not pick them up. Second example is, I want to manifest a relationship that's not working out for you. I want to be married, I want to have a child. Now this is not working out because maybe I have a bigger responsibility to be fulfilled, I have a bigger mission to be complete, I have a bigger thing to do, and when I am on that task, on that mission, on doing that thing, I will not be able to do justice with my family, with my child, with my relationship with my husband, with my wife, whatever, and that is why it is not manifesting right now. So I have an alternate path where I need to be successful, where I need to do something which will require all my energy into it, and that is why it is not manifesting, because I am not meant to go down that line at this point in time. Doesn't mean that a marriage will never happen, but that just means that right now is not the time for me to get down that line, and that is why I need to pick up what I am best at doing, what I have right now, and what I can do best at this point in time. And the moment I choose that path, everything else will start opening up. Similarly, third example, I want to manifest a property, or I want to manifest money. Now maybe I have an alternate path where the change of place is going to happen, and that property that I buy, or that is there, maybe will be add on responsibility on me. I will not be able to handle that. Maybe I have an alternate path where I am going to be in a different arena altogether, or where I am going to be in different zone altogether, and I will not be able to fulfill the responsibilities or other things that are attached to that property. So I have a different path to kind of complete, or maybe I want to have abundance and luxury, but I have a different path where I need to understand or travel or see the difficulties more, because I will be able to cater to the needs that are there. So basically, if I have all the luxuries, I will not be able to travel or do anything without the luxuries, and maybe I am meant to be on a path where my learning is going to be bigger, my abundance is going to be bigger, but that is going to go through some tough phases, and that is why that is not manifesting right now, because I am not meant to be used to that. So similarly, there can be many examples, but these are the two basic reasons for blockages, for why the manifestations are not working out. Now, how do you know these blockages in detail? I am going to do a different video, otherwise this video will be very long. But in short, because I don't want you to be waiting that you will get to know about that, so but in short, I'm going to cover it here, that whenever there is a blockage, whenever something is not working out, whenever a manifestation is not working out for you, look at what are the other things that are there on your bucket, what are the other things that are happening in your life, what are the other situations that are telling you to do something, and be very, very careful about those situations and those things, or be very cautious about these, cautious is not the right word, be very vigilant about these situations and things that are coming in your life, so that you are able to pick those up, and then you are able to move to the path that you are meant to move on, and learn the life lesson that you are meant to learn, and you will be able to manifest what you want to. I can share one personal example with you. I wanted to do this that I'm doing, so I wanted to help the world, I wanted to be spiritual, I wanted to help people understand life more better, and I always knew that this is something that I'm going to do always. But because there were some strong life lessons, and because there were some strong alternate paths that I had to travel, I could not start doing all of this for, like, I'm leaving my education aside, but leaving my education aside also, I could not do this full-fledged like the way I'm doing for good 13-14 years of my life. Like, I just couldn't, because things will not work out. And I learned this a very hard way. It was very, very difficult, very hard, but I don't want all of you guys to go through the same kind of difficulties, same kind of hardship, same kind of blockages, and that's why I want you guys to learn it little easily than that. So if there is a blockage, if something is not happening, if something is not manifesting, don't keep pushing your head on against the same wall. Just see if there is another door that is opening nearby, and wherever that door is that is opening, take that door, and you will ultimately reach where you want to reach. So that abundance, that relationship, that profession, that everything will actually manifest for you. I'm the live example in front of you. Everything will manifest for you, but you have to take the path that is there and with full faith, and things will work out. So let's just see. I hope this helps you. Let's just see what is the message for you guys. And again, I'm saying that if possible, please share it with as many people as you can. So let's just see what is the message for yours. Okay. Illusion. This is a moon card, and exactly similarly what happens is in our life we create illusions, or in our life there are illusions that we get into, and we look at illusions to be real. Now if you see, there is this duck that is sitting here, there is this swan, but this swan is looking like something that's just in air, like there are many legs, the head is very, very different. So there is an illusion of an image that is being created here, and whenever we live in illusions, we are not able to see the things clearly. So if there is anything in your life where you are actually living in an illusion, where you are actually living in depression, where you are actually living in negative thinking, where you are actually living in that something will come into your life and that will change it for you, no, you need to take that step. Closing your eyes is no solution. Saying that, oh, this is like that and I can't do anything about it, is no solution. A solution is where you actually remove illusions, where you actually bring light into your life, where you actually break free, where you actually come out of that zone, and you have the ability to do that. This is the card of intuitive development also, so you can definitely develop intuitively. And this is the card of removal of illusions, like things coming to light. I don't know why. Okay, yeah, 3 of staves. So you can actually manifest something better. You can actually move towards a particular goal the moment you come out of that illusion, and you only have the ability to come out of the illusion. So I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.